Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. If it's your first time, my name is Ameena. Thank you so much for clicking in to watch this video. So in today's video, I'm doing laundry, bits of everything really. So here I was showing you that I have already separated clothes to fold. I don't know what I was saying after that. Yeah, I've already separated everything. And what you see me touching right now, this is the laundry for ironing, which usually I iron it according to the times of the electricity really. But before, I used to get someone like to do my ironing for me, or if I have enough time I would just do it once. But now it really depends on the electricity, on the load shedding schedule, because I cannot always give my all time when there's electricity to do laundry. So yeah, I take that 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours to do my laundry, which usually would take maybe about 3 days for me to finish it. Guys, the struggle of this load shedding, how are you guys coping? How are you guys managing to do your daily task that requires electricity? Because wow, it's a struggle. So here I am quickly just washing my daughter's laundry, her bedding, few of maybe two things of mine that I added, and some few towels. So the first clip, guys, I did show you guys I went to this camp, and I actually went to this camp. I supposed to have done maybe a toiletry haul, but you know what, I'm trying to limit to share majority of my life. So I went to this camp to buy other things that I needed. Then I came across this aerial which was quite cheap. 30 rand, you save 30 rand from, I think actually game sells area for 110. So there I got it. It was 105. I think, if I'm not mistaken, guys, you should see the clip near the beginning, and I got it for 75 rand. I'm not sure now. Yeah, which was quite a save, and I decided to buy. I decided to go back. When I went back, it's when I made a small video for you guys just to show you the sale is actually finishing on the 28th of February. And you know what, if you love Ariel, I think that's a good deal. You can just pick up few anyan and just to have it. So that's what I did. Alhamdulillah, you know, it's such a blessing to be able to pick up a lot of things at once when you can, even if it's for saving. But buying in bulk, it actually requires money. So I thank God for that I'm able to pick up, even if I am saving, but I'm able to pick up enough at that time, you know. So yeah, if you are able to do the same, I think this will help you, because I know for the next 6 months I'm not buying, because I bought about 6, which is, yeah, I really do love Ariel. But I did decide to try on Skip also, because I got it on sale. So I said, okay, let me just try, just pick up only one. So here I'm quickly just folding my son's things. Also was ironing, guys. I took 1 hour in the morning to iron, and also in the afternoon I also took about an hour to iron. So as I speak, I'm not fully finished with my ironing. It's still sitting, waiting for me to finish it. Yeah, I was listening to Sister Label, Awkwardly Made, Life Awkwardly Made. Hey, English. Yeah, something like that, but awkwardly. I told you guys that I don't read yours, guys. What do you call this? The channel name. I don't, and I find it much more easy when the channel is on someone's like name, but once you put a different name, I'm like so bad at that. But anyway, Sister Label's channel, yeah, she was talking about she like takes 2 hours a day to iron, and I really did like that idea. I think I must try to implement it so that I'm on top of my ironing. I'm usually on top of my laundry when it comes to washing and folding, but ironing, I usually just concentrate on few things in the house, like I said on my last video, which is gym things, uniforms, and my toddlers things. And my husband does come first than everyone, because after my toddlers things, my daughter, she's usually, it's either uniform, or she's in abaya, or she's also on sport things. So she hardly wear her things like unless it's weekend. So her laundry and my laundry are usually sitting majority of the time, waiting for whenever we get time to iron. So now here I'm quickly preparing lunch. This is called chana dal. I'm not sure what is it in English. And this is gadu. I'm going to be cooking gadu with chana dal. Gadu is some kind of pumpkin in English. Yeah, so that's what I'm preparing for lunch today. Please do cook with me. This meal right here, when it comes to this lentil, my husband cooks it the best. So this, you can cook it in different ways, but I prefer to do this. Usually my husband will not put together with the gadu because he don't like it mashed up together, but I cook it the way I think when I cook it, it's gonna come out tasty. So when he cooks, he cooks it in his own way. Regardless, whoever cooks, he still enjoy eating. My husband is a foodie, so whatever that tastes good, he eats. So these were my normal spices, and as you can see, I also put chana masala. Then now I'm just gonna put everything all together and pressure cook it. But I kind of like over pressure cook it. The main idea is to pressure cook it. Just it must be a little bit done, but not fully cooked. Then after that, I put oil, I fry it. Then again, I'm gonna put back the soup that I took it out. You're gonna see, guys, as the video goes, that I took it out some soup inside. If you've been watching my channel for some time, I'm sure you are wondering, where are those black packs that you bought last time that you said your son was not breaking? They played with them. They're too small that they got lost all over the house. So yeah, that's why you don't see them. I still have bits of them, but you know, when you don't run your house by yourself, obviously this is a family. Sometimes I hang the clothes, sometimes someone else hangs the clothes, sometimes someone else pick up the clothes from the line, and there's, you can't really control everything that happens. So some, yeah, they are just all over, they are lost. Yeah, so here, as you see me here, I had already put oil and I was kind of like frying it, although it was kind of like on overdone. Yeah, it was overdone, like, let me just say that. I do like to put achar in my dals, and usually, you know, there's a oil that is left once the archer is like almost finished, or when it's finished, that I do not throw away. I usually use it to put it, whether I'm doing rice like plow, like your one meal pot. I don't know how to explain what plow is. Yeah, but I usually will put it there. It just adds flavor. And if you have been noticing how I cook, or how I use my spices, you'll know that I usually don't put too much black pepper. But one meals that I feel that they need more black pepper, it's usually the lentils. So I do put more black pepper on them, like usually, like it just brings more tasty lentils if I put more black pepper, other than if I was just cooking chicken or any other thing. I do like to limit my black pepper, because that can really ruin your food, and you can't fix it, like you really cannot fix it. While I feel like sometimes the salt, you can kind of like fix it by maybe putting a potato or putting dough inside. Like there's ways of maybe fixing salt, or maybe putting yogurt, but a pepper, you can't fix it. Once it's raw, it's raw, and I don't like that. So here, this is me in the afternoon, finishing up some of the things that I decided to do. My daughter, she had already came back from school, so she folded her laundry. I let her fold her laundry, and then I did carry on with the rest of the things, although I am not showing everything. Just move the things on top. Move the things on top. So move that. Move my towels. And you can take your things. The other side. Yeah. Okay, man, take those towels and go put them in the right place. So this is me now here later on in the day, quickly just cleaning my bathroom. It wasn't dirty, but I do like to just spray. This is Demostos. I do like to spray Demostos inside the toilet, even if I'm not gonna wash it, even if I'm not gonna put a brush to do anything. Just spray it. It would make a huge difference. It actually cleans itself, you know, because obviously Demostos has bleach. It kills germs at the same time. It cleans surfaces, obviously. So I just spray it and I let it be, really. And whoever comes, use the toilet and the flush, and then the toilet is just clean, just like that. Yeah, so that's my lazy way of cleaning the toilet majority of the time, apart from when I'm like doing a proper cleaning. Obviously, when someone uses the toilet and they make it dirty, they need to brush and clean it. Yeah, but that's how I keep my what do you call this, the toilet down there inside, guys. That's how I keep it, my toilet inside white. So guys, I'm quickly making a smoothie before electricity goes, like I'm left with 5 minutes. So I just quickly wanted to show you this almond milk that I got at Pick and Pay. It was 29.99 I think. So far this is the cheapest almond milk I have gotten so far. This one I got at, okay, I forgot because I'm in a hurry now, but I didn't notice that it was sweetened. But I think this one is around about 33 rand. Yeah guys, so I'm making this one mainly because my daughter wants to drink the smoothie also. If I make the one without sugar, it's usually have no taste. Oh, bismillah. Okay, banana, frozen baby spinach, okay, frozen pineapple. I buy a box of pineapple, then I cut it, freeze it. These I actually got it. It was all frozen in the frozen section. The berries. Okay, I think this is all that I'm gonna make. I'm also putting Future Life. Just a little. Guys, I'm actually preparing breakfast. This is our breakfast smoothie since we won't have electricity. Okay guys, I've added chia seed. I'm adding one more banana, and now I'm gonna quickly hand blend it because I like my smoothie smooth. Guys, I forgot I had a hand blender. So electricity is coming back 7:30 tomorrow. So usually this is supposed to be ready before then, especially for my husband. So that's why I'm making it right now. It's quite tasty guys. It's very tasty. Yeah, I think electricity is going to switch off anytime. What is left for me to do? I will wash the dishes in the dark. I'm going to feed my son now. Yeah, going to feed him, bath him, and we'll call it a night.